Good morning, everyone. How are you all, lovely children of class 3? Once again, I, Mohita Singh, welcomes you all in my SST class. Children, as you all know that already we had finished up to chapter 15, Kolkata. Okay? So, in this class, I am going to discuss with you all a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Chennai. Okay children, it's a new chapter, chapter 16. The name of the chapter is Chennai. Okay. So children, let's start our class. Here you can see the map of India, children. In this picture you can see map of India. Okay. Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. So children, Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. As you can see in the picture, this is Chennai. Okay, Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. Okay, in the picture I have circled Tamil Nadu, and here in blue color, you can see Chennai. Okay. So children, Chennai is the fourth largest city in India. It was earlier known as Madras. Children, earlier it was known as Madras. Okay. Chennai was earlier known as Madras. Okay. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Children, Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Okay children. Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. Okay. It is a famous seaport on the eastern coast of India. Children, here you can see it is on the eastern coast. Okay, it is on the eastern coast. Here you can see it is on the eastern coast. Okay. So children, Chennai is a famous seaport on the eastern coast of India. Chennai is a famous seaport on the eastern coast of India. Okay. A lot of trade is done from here with other countries. Children, from here a lot of trade is done with other countries, with several countries. Okay. A lots of trade is done with several countries from here, from the seaport of Chennai. Okay. Here also you can see in this picture. So children, come here everyone. The governor, the chief minister and other ministers of Tamil Nadu government lives in Chennai. So children, the governor, the chief minister and other ministers of the Tamil Nadu government live in Chennai. Okay. These ministers used to live in Chennai. Okay. All other state government offices are also located in Chennai. Children, all other state government offices are also located in Chennai. Okay, as Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. It is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. So, all other state government offices are also located in Chennai. Okay. Now, everyone come to the next topic, that is climate. Okay, we will discuss now climate. Okay children, Chennai's climate. The climate of Chennai is hot throughout the year. Children, the climate of Chennai is hot throughout the year. Okay, it's a coastal area, so the climate of here is hot throughout the year. Okay, it has more rain in winters than in summers. Children, it has more rain in winters than in summers. Okay. Chennai has more rain in winters than in summers. Okay. Here you can see in winters, Chennai has rain. Okay. It's raining in winters. The climate of Chennai is hot throughout the year. But in winters, it rains too much rather than in summers. Okay. So, it has more rain in winters than in summers. Okay children. Now everyone come to dress of Chennai. Okay children. Here you can see the traditional dress of men is vesti shirt and women put on sari blouse. Children, the traditional dress of Chennai is vesti shirt of men and women used to wear sari and blouse. Okay, this is the traditional dress of Chennai. Okay, men and women used to wear this. Okay, children. Now here you can see, children, children wear pavadai. Small girls used to wear pavadai. This dress is known as pavadai. Okay, children wear pavadai. People mostly wear light cotton clothes. As the climate is very hot, children, so people used to wear light cotton clothes in Chennai. Okay. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video with another topic of this chapter. Till then, children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye and thank you everyone.